How to solve a network problem in eFootball. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of network in your eFootball. So the very first step is you can launch your Google Play Store to install the eFootball on your mobile device. On the top search bar, if you search for eFootball, then you will see an application like this. So you can simply install it and then play it. I've already installed it, so it shows me some network problem. Then how can I solve it is you should check your network for that. Just go on the top notification bar, tap on your network and see if there is any stable network then you are connected to right now or not. If your internet connection is not stable, then you can simply open your mobile data on. You can simply take data on your phone and turn the mobile data on just like that. And if still you're having some network problem, then now what you can do is log out of all the Wi-Fi devices and then again try to search for the devices that you can log into and type the password again and then log into a new Wi-Fi device. And after that, you can simply switch off your phone from the power off button by just tapping on this and tapping on power off button. And when you open your phone again, then you must not see this problem again. So that's how you can solve the problem of network in your phone if you're having trouble while using eFootball. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.